What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, y'all. So I'm wearing my new red Nike hat because I was supposed to get my hair done on Friday, yesterday, and she canceled on me. So we've been rocking blow dried hair, but we were supposed to be getting it done tomorrow, fingers crossed, at 8 a.m. so we're rocking hat for now. And I don't know why, but this red hat makes me feel like I'm wearing that famous Trump hat. I don't know why, but anyways, I'm a little sick earlier, so yeah, hopefully maybe we could get some ice cream too. I want to buy some ice cream. But yeah, y'all. Oh, also, let me tell y'all, so tomorrow is my company picnic. I'm gonna be going to that, and then around like 7 I'm flying out to Portland, and this is gonna be a business trip because my sister company in Portland is filming their commercials. So we hired this branding company to film the commercials. So the branding company is going to be doing it in Portland, and then we're going to drive back to Seattle, and we're going to do it in Seattle because we need to film some new commercials too. So I get to fly out and see it firsthand for our sister company, and I'm excited. It's funny, my boss had asked me, she was like, first I asked her, I was like, can I go? And she's like, yeah, I don't care. And she's like, do you want to fly or drive? I'm like, I want to fly. She's like, are you sure we can get you a company vehicle? You don't got to drive your own vehicle? No. Okay. If I got to drive, I don't want to go, because that 3-4 hour drive by myself, no. Every time I went to Portland, I went with somebody, and they did about 70% of the driving. So me by myself, no, not happening.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose.
What's up, y'all? So it's a bit later. Let me give y'all an update on my day. First of all, as you see, didn't get my hair done, okay? As I was like 20 minutes away from the girl's shop, she texted me this long text and said, I can't do your hair, all this bullshit. Okay, I really wanted to cuss her out, but I'm not that type of person. So she refunded me my deposit, and I didn't have nothing to say to her. So didn't get my hair done, and then went back home, took a nap, and went to my company picnic, which was fun. I got to play spades with my coworkers, and my team won, of course, because your girl is good at spades. I just kicked it with them. I had a good time. Then I rushed back home, finished packing, took a lift to the airport, and then I feel like I was at the airport for so long, and the airport was packed. Okay, and then what else? Yeah, the same group of people for like an hour and a half, because we had to get on a bus, and then they drove us to this small plane, and then we had to board the plane, and then the plane took forever to take off, and yeah, it was just a bit much, and I'm tired. Okay, and then my drive, well, I took a Lyft, and it was about 30 minutes away from the hotel was about 30 minutes away from the airport. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, we're here. So let me give y'all a little hotel tour. This hotel is decent. They are having some system issues because they charged my company card twice. So me and the manager finna have a talk tomorrow because you're not finna get me in trouble. But let me show y'all the room. We got my bag there, a little safe, that's cute, whatever. Double beds. I don't know why I did that. And these pillows are like not giving. They're not giving. It doesn't, I don't know. Anyways, double beds. I don't know why I did that. It got my name. I thought that was cute. But yeah, just a basic room. What we are gonna do is cut off that AC because no ma'am, it is cold in here. And then going to the bathroom. The bathroom's cute. Got the stand-up shower. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, y'all, I'm about to shower and go to bed because I gotta be in this lobby. I gotta be downstairs in this lobby by 7:30. So catch y'all in a little bit. What's up, y'all? So it is the next day and we're day 1 on this trip. And y'all, I went to bed around like 11, almost 12. Woke up around like 6:30. So your girl is tired. My eyes hurt. Yeah, hopefully we get some, I'm pretty sure we're gonna get some like coffee and breakfast and stuff. So hopefully that wakes me up. But I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can. I'm gonna be around, I'm meeting one of my bosses for the first time. We've done like a bunch of Zoom calls, but like never actually met in person. So I'm excited about that, but we'll see how much I vlog. Good morning, y'all. So today is Tuesday. It's currently like, what time is it? It's almost 6:15. I need to be in the lobby by 6:15. So anyways, today we're gonna be filming all day, and then we're gonna be going to dinner with the filming crew, and then we're gonna head back home. So yeah, it's an eventful day. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. We'll see how much footage I could get. What's up, y'all? So I got a lot going on and I miss vlogging, so here we are. Today is Saturday. I go out of town on Monday, and I'm gonna be gone for a week. And I'm super excited because this is my birthday trip. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm pumped. And it's gonna be out the country again. If y'all didn't know, I just went to Cancun like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, and then I've been busy with work because literally like we had to film commercials, and then the week after that I went to Cancun, and then this past week I've been like working my butt off trying to be ahead because I'm gonna be gone next week. So anyways, we got a lot to do today. It's kind of like a vacation prep. I get my lashes done at 12. It's 9 a.m. We're about to go to the gym. I need these nails done. Y'all probably can't. There we go. I need a fill. Getting my hair touched up tomorrow. I think that's pretty much it. I had a wax like a week or 2 ago, and it's like starting to grow back, but like the hair is like half an inch, so I cannot get a wax. And the last lady that did my wax, never again, because I feel like I'm having some repercussions. Like, if you know, then you know. What's up, y'all? So it is the next day. As you see, I got my lashes done. I got volume set, which I think that's what I'm gonna start sticking with. Like the mega volume is just like way too much. But I got a volume set. The longest is 17, and I think the shortest is like 14. So I love it. And then I got like spikes. And then I also got, I've been a terrible vlogger. I just have not been vlogging. But this morning I got my nails done. We just kept it simple. We got French tip and I'm loving it. I feel like this is like the perfect shape, perfect length. Like I could still type how I want to and function, whatever. So yeah. Anyways, we are about to head to the gym. Your girl takes off in less than about 48 hours. So we are gonna take this ginger shot. So let's get it. Y'all, these are from Trader Joe's. This is what it looks like. Y'all, love these. I don't like the way they taste, but I like the way, I don't know why, but I feel like these make me sweat in the gym. I don't know, because I don't take nothing else, but I still sweat like a pig. So I think it's something with this. So yeah, let's take it. Cheers.
Whatever you want, baby, it's my treat. All I want from you.
Do I put up with the game?
I keep thinking that you change. Same old thing.
Be in love with gold. Never got the cook, but got my name tag.
I say right foot creep over walking with that heat walk.
So I'm at Ulta looking at this. This is what I usually get, but what's up, y'all? So we are back. I went to Ulta and I got just a couple things that I needed, and now I also picked up some Potbelly. I got me a chicken club. This is gonna be like my dinner, and y'all, I'm starving. Oh, and then I also got their chips. We'll see what it's giving, and their cookie. But y'all, I had to buy, so I'm gonna go. Be for real. Drop some lettuce. Anyways, I had to go buy. We got some Touchland on deck. I had to go buy hair because my friend is going to touch up my like first couple of rows. But y'all, I did not know. I had to buy some human hair for like the curly strands, and it was like $60. Like, what? Oh my god. I mean, I get it, like that's human hair, but I literally had to spend $70 in hair, and then I gotta pay to get it touched up. Like, anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this. These are okay. But I'm starving, so it tastes great. What's up, y'all? So today is Monday. Your girl takes off tonight. So let me give you an update. As y'all seen, I got my hair done. I just got like my front few rows touched up. I already showed you guys my nails. I'm gonna have to show you guys the free birthday gifts I got from Sephora and Ulta. And then there's some other places where I can get free birthday gifts, but they don't give it to you until the day of your birthday. Like Starbucks doesn't give you, they give you a free pastry, but you have to get it on the day of. So that's kind of stupid. But yeah. Anyways, y'all, I'm tired. I did not go to bed until midnight. Yeah. Cause yeah. Anyways, what else I got for y'all? I need to go to Target right after work to make sure I got all my toiletries. I feel like I do, but we're just gonna double check. I need to go to the bank, and then all my stuff is like thrown in the suitcase. I just gotta like organize it. So yeah. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna continue on work. I got about like 3 more hours. I got 2 more meetings to do. So yeah, I'll catch y'all once we leave here.